Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I created this beautiful matte and shiny dip powder nail design, which is inspired by a picture that I saw on Pinterest. If you are new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, Mia Secret Blue Acrylic Powder, Azure Beauty Yellow Dip Powder, and Kiara Sky Medium Pink Dip Powder. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. So I am applying one layer of base to my whole nail, and then I dip it into clear dip powder. This is an optional step, but I like doing it. This is used as a protective layer for my natural nails, as well as a way to build a foundation to start my nails. So I was going through Pinterest just looking at nail designs and stuff, and I saw this simple nail design right here and it caught my attention, so I had to try and recreate it using dip powder. I think I did okay, but let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think? So starting on my pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail, and then using the Mia Secret Blue Acrylic Powder and Kiara Sky Medium Pink and also Azure Beauty Yellow Dip Powder, I do a color block nail design. The colors really complemented each other and it looked really nice together. So I dipped into the powder at an angle, and I leave it in there for 5 seconds, and then I take it out and dip it into the medium pink, leave it in there for 5 seconds as well, and then onto the yellow dip powder and I leave it in for 5 seconds. And I did about 2 layers of this. The blue acrylic powder is almost finished, so you would be seeing me leaning the powder a lot to get a better color block, which is a little difficult as well, because I can't see what I'm doing from that angle, since I have to be in frame so that you all could see. And the little there is in the container, it's hard, it's kind of difficult. So on the ring finger, I'm doing this unique color block. I really like this nail, it's so cute. So to do this, I had to place the blue acrylic powder into another container so I could achieve the straight line. So I put it into the powder and I waited 5 seconds, and then I tap off the excess. And then I applied it to the yellow dip powder to achieve a side French. And then I also dipped it into the medium pink. I did 2 layers of this. Now on to the middle finger. I'm doing a chevron French nail, so I apply base to the whole nail, and then I dip it into the Mia Secret Blue Acrylic Powder at an angle, and I leave it in the powder for 5 seconds as usual, and then into the yellow dip powder at an angle and also the medium pink dip powder. I did 3 layers of that, but I only showed 2 layers. On the second layer, you would see where I accidentally went too low when dipping into the yellow dip powder. I went into a panic mode. I just removed it with my finger before it dried and then continued. Remember, we are doing 3 layers, so if you mess up you can still redeem yourself, but not in all cases, but in most cases. So I don't know why I was panicking, but you know, I panicked. That's what I do. But if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button down below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the best tips and tricks for achieving beautiful depowder nail designs at home. So on the index finger, I'm doing another color block nail design just like the one I did on my pinky nail. So I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. When I completed the 3rd layer, I accidentally hit my nail on something, I can't even remember, the yellow area, and it wasn't fully dry, so I had to apply a little base to the yellow area and place some dip powder on it. So if that ever happens to you, because I'm clumsy, so these things happen to me a lot. So I don't know what I was doing, and I think my own fingernail hit the yellow part of that nail right there, and yes, it left an indentation. So I had to apply some base and then just sprinkle a little bit of yellow dip powder on it, and it worked like a charm. Now on the thumbnail, they didn't show the thumbnail on the Pinterest picture. They don't give the thumbnail no love, oh my goodness. So I just did something simple. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2. When trying to figure out which colors I wanted to use to do this design, I realized I didn't have a lot of bright colors. Because before I went into dip powders, I used to use acrylic powders. So those Mia Secret you see in there, those are the stuff I used to use. But not all of them could work for color blocking because some of them aren't finely milled. This blue one is very finely milled, so that's why I could do color blocking with it. But the rest of colors, which is very bright, I have a lot of bright colors, but is acrylic, and I can't use that if I want to do color blocking. So when I realized, wait, I don't have a lot of bright colors. Actually, I don't have any like super bright summer colors. I was shocked. I was appalled. Like, come on. So I went on Revel Nail website one time and ordered some colors. So y'all will be seeing a lot of colors coming your way very soon. Yeah, and I also very soon I would be doing a video on Rusty Nails dip powder as well, so stay tuned for that also. So yeah, now I'm just encapsulating all of the nails. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. So now I apply activator to all of the nails, then I waited for it to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing and buffing. So now is decisions, and for this one I chose the model one and the matte top coat from Sally Hansen. So I'm going to be doing I didn't want to do all of the nails matte because I really liked how it looked shiny also. So seeing that I couldn't choose, I just decided to do both. So on 3 of the nails, well actually 4. So those 3 nails here and the thumbnail, I'll be doing the model one's gel top coat, and then the pinky nail I'll be doing the matte top coat. I just wanted you guys to see. So on the middle finger I'll be making it matte. So I'll be showing you how I convert shiny top coat, so shiny gel top coat to matte. Okay, so that's why I wanted to do this, to show you guys how easy it is to change it if you don't have any matte gel polish. And you will see how they looked exactly alike, the matte finish on both the pinky and the middle finger, so you couldn't even tell. So I forgot to say I cured it for 60 seconds. Yeah, I cured that one for 60 seconds, and then I went in with the matte top coat. And now I'm just filing it with a shiny buffer. Is a shiny? No, a smooth buffer to take off the shininess so that it will become matte. So do you guys see? Do you guys see? They look exactly alike. So if you have shiny top coat and you don't have any matte top coat, just do that. You know, it's easy. So anyway, now I'm just applying some cuticle oil to my cuticles. And this is the finished look, guys. So if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.